Okay, here we go again, YouTube. This is my treat this time to my lovely fiance. Check it out. Got her a nice Publix sandwich, some Lay's vinegar potato chips. Got her a nice little vanilla cake. Courtesy of, me, because of her love and dedication to me, I suppose, right? Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Now I'm about to bring it to her with her on camera.
No.
Y'all heard her. She said no. So that means I gotta keep the camera pointed down. No, I gotta keep the camera pointed down on the babe. I do. Why? Cause you don't think you look good. Look, there go her hands right there, y'all. Do it again, babe. Look how she stuck her hands out. Oh man, she's a beautiful woman. She deserves everything. She really do. That's why my ass is grinding every day. Cause this woman deserves to get taken care of. She does. She does so much, and she's very beautiful. She's very feminine, and she just oh man, she's just so lovable. I'm about to ease the camera up there. See y'all? There she go right there.
Stop.
Oh, she say stop. She don't like being on camera, y'all. I don't know why when she's so sexy. All right, y'all. Well, tell me how it is, babe.
Are you not eating with me?
I gotta eat with her. We be saying grace and everything, y'all. Ain't that something? We say our prayers before we eat. Man, what a good woman, huh? Anyway, y'all, other women take heed to this once again. Oh, the men take heed too. All right, peace.